Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and welcome back to my Python tutorial series, and let's get started. In the last video we covered Python basics including variables, data types and arithmetic operations. Variables are used to store information like text or numbers. Data types defines a kind of data a variable holds, like integer for numbers, string for text and boolean for true or false values. Arithmetic operations include basic maths like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you missed that video, make sure to check it out from the link in the description below. Today we will explore user input, making our Python program interactive and smarter. User input allows your program to take input from the user like their name, age, or your choices using the input function. Let's dive in. User inputs allows our program to interact with users to take their input directly. In Python, we use a simple built-in function called input to do this. It waits for the user to type something and then stores that value as a string, which we can use later in our code. So let's switch over to the coding page. We are in the VS Code and let's start with a simple example. We will write a program that asks for the user's name and then greets them. So let's take a variable called name. So name is equal to input, parentheses and double inverted commas. Inside that we will write enter your name. Now in the next line we will print hello and then comma and the variable name. Alright, let's run the script and now see what is the output. So as you can see, it's asking us enter your name in the terminal. So what we will do, we will write our name Ajay Raj and press enter. Boom, there you go. We can see hello Ajay Raj. So here's what happened. The input function displayed a message enter your name and waited for me to type something. I entered Ajay Raj and the value got stored in the variable called name. Then the print function combines the text hello with whatever I typed and print a personalized greeting on the screen. This is a basic way to make your program more interactive and user friendly. Let's take another example involving numbers. So let's take a variable called age. So age is equal to input, enter your age. So we will print before conversion and after conversion it. So let's run the script and see how the data type changes. So if we run the script, it's asking us for our age. So let's write 25. So here the input function captures it as a string, even though it's look like a number. That's why the type before conversion is class string. Then we use int age to convert that string to an actual integer. And now the type becomes class int, means integer. This step is super important when you want to do maths or comparison with numbers, like checking if someone is old enough to vote or drive. That's all for today's session on user inputs. We have learned how to take input from user and convert it to a correct data type so our program can interact more intelligently. In the next video, we will dive into conditional statements, learn how to make decision on our code using if, elif and else. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comment below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.